Welcome back, guys. Marry me chicken. If you like it, then you should have put a ring on it. Oh. Welcome back, guys, to another vlog. Welcome. Stay tuned. In this video, I'll be using heavy cream chicken broth tomato paste or tomato paste, sun-dried tomatoes, Parmesan, basil, smoked paprika, chicken broth, a little tomato paste. In there, some red crushed pepper because that's a girl business. In there, some oregano. So I seasoned my chicken breast from overnight, and you all should know how to season chicken breast, right? And feel free to coat yours in flour, or if you want to use cornstarch. I use cornstarch to help to give it a little crisp, and then I toasted this or give this a little color in some butter. Chicken breast will get dry. You have to know how to prep it. So I just lightly allowed this to get some color. Then here I'll be adding this in my oven so it still has juice in it. I love my chicken well done, not rare. No blood should be coming from my meat. Once I added this to my oven, I left it for 15 minutes at 275 degrees to just let a little heat seep through this. Then you girl, ready now to make our sauce. I added me lots of garlic. No onion, lots of garlic. Once I added garlic, then some of the sun-dried tomato, and I added a little of the oil from the sun-dried tomato. Then I added my heavy cream. Not heavy whipping, but heavy cream. Then I started to add in my crushed pepper, a little oregano, a little tomato paste to help to make the sauce. And then I added grated Parmesan cheese in it, smoked paprika, Italian seasoning. Feel free to add in a little chicken bouillon if you want and you're looking for something like really tasty like in this. Once my chicken was seasoned, I did not use any salt. Cut down on the salt amount, cut down on your sodium intake too. Then here I started to add in some of that grated parm. Then I added the regular parm in my sauce. I allow this to cook for 5 to 8 minutes. Look at your girl's sauce looking all juicy already. I can tell this is going to taste good. Now I removed my chicken from the oven and I added this in the sauce. Listen, don't overcook your chicken breast because I had already grilled it a little, added it to the oven. I just want this to get in my sauce and my chicken will be ready. Then for garnish, I added a little basil on this, the dried one, not the fresh one. There was none in the store. Listen, this marry me chicken will help you to find that husband that you're looking for. Please make sure you try this. Cook this for your man, cook this for your spouse. Yes, and he must give you the ring. He must put a ring on it. If you like it, then you should have put a ring on it. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, I hope you love the vibes. And I serve this on a bed of a little basmati white rice with the veggies. Can't forget the veggies if you want a healthy meal. Thank you guys for stopping by. And remember now, don't be mean with it. Please remember to give the video a like. It's free. You're just using your finger. You're not giving me anything. You're just liking this video. If this video got you a husband, got you a ring on it, let me know. Drop it in the comments. Marry me chicken. Today's vlog is American dinner.